Is this? I need to cut this. Let me see the shovel. I need to cut this thing. It doesn't let me pass.
There you go. Yes, that's what I was like, you go back in there.
This is the straggler on that.
Got it?
Yeah.
Here.
Is it okay?
It's hot.
Oh, you're gonna take it to the shelter. Good job. Wait, hold on. Let me get a picture. Oh, hold the kitty.
Why?
Such a sweet baby kitty.
You made it.
Hold on, I gotta get some camera. Okay, look.
To go there.
Okay.
You made it. And he's in good health.
Yeah, he's in really good health.
If there was no way out for him to get out that way, it's a stock. So
We need to
another
take him
rain.
back to the shelter though.
Yeah, another rain, he was gonna drown.
Yeah.